Saturday evening to you. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Andrew Capasso. New tonight, using a slain teenager's name and picture without permission. The controversy surrounding a music video for Jordan Davis. First Coast News reporter Michelle Casado is tracking that story. She's live with those details. Michelle.
Good evening, Andrew. In December of 2012, Jordan's family and friends had one of the first vigils for Jordan Davis after his death on Black Friday, and a lot of shirts like these were passed out then. Since then, numerous events for Jordan have happened, and one in particular is causing some controversy when it comes to the teenager's name and image. A shoot for a music video about Jordan Davis is at the center of a common issue the Davis family has been facing since the slain teenager's case hit the national spotlight.
Nobody wants their kid to be used for commercial purposes, and alive or dead. And we're seeing that more and more with Jordan.
Davis family attorney John Phillips says he received an email from Bobby Worthy, the CEO and president of the Justice League United, about the Saturday event on Friday. The email asked if the parents could attend, but the flyer, already heavily promoted, invited the public to join Jordan's family and friends. Phillips says his firm contacted the promoter, Donald Daniels, to cancel the event until it could be further discussed.
And Mr. Daniels said, he'd hold off, he'd cancel the event. In fact, he said it's one of the worst phone calls he's ever had in his life because he has to cancel. And we assumed it was canceled.
But it wasn't. A director on the set of the shoot Saturday was asked if he knew about the cease and desist order.
A cease and desist? So we're basically asking to stop the music video.
No, they didn't tell us about that.
You have reached the voicemail box of...
I tried contacting the promoter of the event listed on the flyer and left 2 voicemails, but no calls returned. Worthy responded and forwarded First Coast News his response to Phillips' email about not using Jordan's image. Worthy says no one needs your permission or the family to attack injustice when images on social media that have no kind of registered trademark or copyrights can be used. Under Florida Statute 540 Section 8, it is illegal to publish, print, display, or otherwise publicly use for purposes of trade or any commercial or advertising purposes the name, portrait, photograph, or other likeness of any natural person, even deceased person, without consent.
This family is still parenting Jordan Davis. And I dare to say anybody whose child is placed on a billboard or is placed on a T-shirt without that parent's permission would want to say, hey, hang on, my kid's rights are dominant over your desire to sell a T-shirt.
Mentioned there would be Jordan Davis T-shirts. Phillips said when he attended the event, he said T-shirts were not being sold, but donations were being accepted. Now, under state law, there could be punitive damages sought for unauthorized use of Davis's likeness. Live from downtown, Michelle Casado, First Coast News, NBC 12, ABC 25.
All right, Michelle, thank you. Now, firstcoastnews.com has lots of exclusive content dealing